This is going to be Sheriff. He is a 10-year-old APHA registered gelding. He's been one owner since he was a weanling. That owner is a trainer and has done everything with him from putting him on a flag, putting him on cows, trail riding out in the backwoods of Ohio. He is also trained to drive. He's been shown in ranch classes and he's been shown in English classes. This horse is the definition of a true all-around horse. He's got a lot of muscle, size, bone to him. He's really sensible. He is a one-person type horse, so if you show up with a whole bunch of people he's never seen, he's gonna be a little like, well, I don't know about that. But once he's got his one person, he knows me pretty well. He's chill, he's easy, he likes attention. He'll come to that person, kind of like a loyal Doberman. So this is gonna be Sheriff, and he's really cool. And I wanna point out his very unique badger face.
Well, what we got over here, and again, this horse here is first time I'm riding him. He is absolutely big, stout, strong, physical horse. He's got a really good handle on him. New completely to cutting, but he has been worked. They work on him at some point because that he goes through the herd real easy. He cuts, he separates real easy. He just green as far as working a cow like a cutting horse. But that horse will pretty much do anything. I mean, anywhere, anything from roping to penning to sorting. A little bit more work, you can probably wrench cutting on him too. Altogether, nice, gentle, nice horse.